Hi there, so for this problem we have a rectangular cardboard box with a square base that is to be made with double layers on the base and the top for wrist forming. The box is to have a volume of 5,000. Okay, then the length of the base and the height cannot exceed 48 inches. Okay, then once we have this, so let me just draw the situation for this. We have this box with a square base. So the dimensions for this are x and x, and the height for this one is labeled that as h. So the volume for this is x squared times the height. So then we need to determine the dimensions of the box to minimize the amount of cardboard used. Now the amount of cardboard used, let's label that as 8, is just simply the sum of all of the sides for this. Remember.